Welcome to the video where we review the new Unified Endpoint Management dashboard for Intune applications. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise now has a dashboard that displays the status of Intune native applications. This provides an overview of application deployments in the organization. The information the dashboard provides includes the success and failure of application deployments, device installation status, and more. Let's take a look. We can get to the dashboard by going to Endpoints, then Reports. Next, we'll go to Intune Apps Dashboard. From here, we can search for a specific application or filter by type. Here's a list of Microsoft Store apps, for example. We can also search for specific applications by name. Here we have information on the Intune Company Portal app. We can see the publisher, type, application compliance, and percentage of success rate. Let's go to the application details. From here, we get more information on the installation by device. We can search and filter by type and status. Here's a list of devices the application successfully installed on. We can also take a detailed look at each device. Here we have a detailed application list for that device. That is how to use the new Unified Endpoint Management global dashboard for Intune applications available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.4.